Alright, this tic-tac clock or whatever, that thing's kind of beat, but this is the Dakota Digital on the top. Kind of made to mimic the original. Pretty cool. It's all digital shit. Tachometer. I mean, this instrument cluster is pretty shot, but they kind of captured the vibe. But just so you can see that. I mean, that thing's rough, dude. I mean, yeah, that's fine. But yeah, they did a pretty good job of mimicking that, I think. With just the right amount of touches. That'll have like a digital readout on it. So yeah, pretty cool. And then I will restore this piece to reuse. I've got a new, the fuck is that? Oh, okay, hi. I got a new one of these wood grain aluminum things that I got from OER, or Classic Industries. I believe this is like a 71 wood grain part, because it's a little darker. And since my car is a 70 is what I'm trying to clone, so I was trying to get the light color one, but my car is only a 3-switch position. This would be for, I think, a rear defroster or rear vent or something like that. I bought this for like $100 like a long time ago. Don't remember where the hell I got it from, but it's been sitting in a box and I almost forgot about it. But I will probably see if I can reuse my my original Cuda's version of this, so I don't have to trade switches out, because I don't know if any of this shit's any good. We'll find out soon. I'm gonna have Tricks Customs out in Chaska. My buddy Chris, he's got the magic touch on some shit, so